Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some of the easiest but oh so yummy strawberry cupcakes. Now for this recipe you're gonna need a box of white cake mix. You're also gonna need 3 large eggs, a little bit of water, some oil, a box of strawberry jello, and you're also gonna need some strawberry puree. Now to make that strawberry puree, you're going to take some fresh strawberries and add them to your blender. Now the blender that I'm using in this video is by Cosori. Cosori so kindly sent me this blender for review, and you guys, I would 150% recommend this blender. This blender it's in that sweet spot. It's not a cheap blender, and it's not one of those extremely crazy expensive blenders, but it works like one, you guys. It comes with a little recipe book with all kinds of little cute recipes in it. So if you're looking for a great quality blender, please check out the link below. Cosori's products are awesome and I highly recommend them. We're going to go ahead and take all of our ingredients except the eggs, and we're going to add them to our mixing bowl. And while it's on low, we're going to go ahead and start to add in our eggs. Now once we have our eggs mixed in, you want to go ahead and crank that up to a medium, and we're going to let it beat for about 2 minutes. You guys, the color of this batter is gorgeous. So next we're going to go ahead and fill our cupcake tin. You want to make sure you're only filling your cupcake tins up halfway. I did overfill them, you guys, but the next batch came out right. So next we're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven, and we're going to bake them according to the directions on the back of the box. While our cupcakes are cooling, we're going to go ahead and make our frosting. I'm going to take some softened butter and some room temp cream cheese. We're going to go ahead and get that going, and we're going to beat it until it's nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to add in the rest of my strawberry puree. You always want to make sure you scrape your bowl. And last, we're going to go ahead and start to add in our powdered sugar. We're going to add it in about a cup at a time. And then you're going to end up with the most beautiful strawberry cream cheese frosting. Next, I'm going to use a little sandwich baggie as a piping bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and top some of them with some fresh strawberries. Yum.